when Pranay was born, so we were very happy, very joyous. But doctors did not tell us that he has some Down syndrome or something like that.
और 1 महीने के बाद मुझे बताया गया कि वो स्लो लर्नर है.
I never knew only that such things are there in the world. And it was like, oh God, why me?
As it is with most of the genetic problems, there are suggestive evidences and not clear-cut medical guidances. So I can't say to any to-be parent, don't do this so that you will not have Down syndrome child. It's not possible. It can be a chance factor with anyone.
So the moment I realized that, I called up my daughter, elder daughter, who's Sandhya. She was 10 years old at that time. And when I said, you've got a brother, the way she reacted was out of this world. Oh my God, what a news, Papa, great! And that encouraged me a lot.
मैं और मेरे हस्बैंड और हमारे फैमिली मेंबर इन्होंने ये इमीडिएट एक्सेप्ट किया.
And we came to the terms. Here's the thing.
Whether I take it as a curse or whether I take it as a challenge, whether I take it with full love for my child or I feel there is some liability, this has been the deciding factor. I would rather say accept what is reality already. Second, work on the unexplored potential. Whatever is a child's disability, every child has a divine potential. And if you work on any unexplored potential, I think it always works well.
My training began, because I realized when he was very, very small, there was music on. And I found him, he was on the floor and he was moving his hips and the hands were moving. And my husband said, what is happening to him? I said, I don't know. He says, he put the music off. He stopped. We put the music on again, he started dancing again. So we realized this would be the way to teach him.
Many of them are very interesting reflex mechanisms. Like for example, many of the parents would have seen, you start music, they start responding to music. It happens with most Down children. Now this is something which when you know in the early childhood, and if you put him to that, his reflexes will evolve.
यानी इंडिपेंडेंट बनाने की मेरी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ और वो काफ़ी हद तक इंडिपेंडेंट है.
He is working hours in hotel right from 11 o'clock in the morning till 8 o'clock in the night continuously. He travels on his own in best bus, comes back by 8:45 at home.
We are very proud of him. The whole family is really very fond of him. He is the darling of the family. Everything revolves around him.
And I always feel that there is so much ability in his disability that the disability is nowhere around the corner. To me, he's a perfect child. A child, I couldn't ask for anything better.
And a Down child requires company of children around who understands him or her. If this happens, I think most of the problems in the society towards these children can be eliminated. It's all, they take a little few seconds more to respond, but they respond much more beautifully. They're so lively, so loving kids. If they get the love and affection of the kids around, it will, I think, reciprocate into boundless energy.
अगर ऐसे बच्चों को माँ बाप का सपोर्ट और फैमिली का सपोर्ट मिले और प्लस फैमिली का सपोर्ट मिलते हैं तो ये बच्चे और भी खुश और बहुत अच्छे से आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.
I think, like I always say to parents, I said, when you talk about your relatives or your family, they feel sorry for you. And it's not sorry we are looking for. It is understanding that we want. Which is why the sports came as a blessing. Because here, your parents, all affected parents. And we all care for each other. So okay, I'm today in a problem. I know I can turn back and go to a parent and maybe that parent will help me out. So you need a relationship like that,
When a challenged child is born in any family, a kind of trauma is created, naturally. So a group of similarly affected people, parents, got together and they said we need emotional support from each other. And when they formed a group, they called it Parents of Down Syndrome Association, PODS in short. When the child is growing up and when we are experiencing some kind of problems emotional or feelings why we come together and share our experiences. But we didn't stop there. We said we need to project these children as responsible, capable children in the world. So, Rang Birangi Sham is one medium through which we did that. And we continue to do that. Third aim of the pods is to see that employment opportunities are created for them. The aim is that they become financially also independent. And when they become financially independent, the question which the parents were asking after us, what, is automatically answered, because wherever they live in included society, they won't be a burden on that family. They will be independent. There is a lot the society has supported us so far, but I think lot still needs to be done. And that's why I spread my hands and request everybody to come forward in whatever manner they can to see that these children are really pride of any nation, particularly because we are in India. Let them be the pride of the nation.
I love
my family
and my friends
just like you.
just like you.
Just like you.
Please
Be patient
with me.